Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to top up your OpenAI account with just $5 to start using your API key. This is super easy and will get you ready to explore all the amazing things OpenAI has to offer. So here we are on the OpenAI website. To get started, you need to go to platform.openai.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on Dashboard, and then go to Usage. On this screen, click on Increase Limit to add funds to your account. Today, we're going to add $5, which is the minimum amount you can add to start using the API key. Simply click on Increase Limit, and then you'll see an option to choose the amount. Enter $5 and continue to the payment method. You can use a credit card or other accepted payment options to complete the transaction. Once your payment is complete, you'll see the funds available in your account. This will let you use the API key for your projects, whether you're building a chatbot, generating content, or exploring AI in other ways. And that's it. You've successfully topped up your OpenAI account with $5, and you're ready to get started with the API. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to give it a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.